With DesignCad up and running, let's have a look at the environment. Where my mouse is at present, this is our drawing space. Here we have our X and Y. Now this is our Cartesian, so we have Y and we have X. Across here to the left we have our Snaps toolbox. Here we have our main toolbox. Across here are our rules for X and for Y. This here will shift our 0 point to a point. So you can see here I've clicked on it and I can drag my mouse. You can see it's changed to a small cross, and we just do a left click, and we can see that 0 is here and 0 is here. So our 0 point is somewhere around where my mouse is at the moment. We have here, this is our layer toolbox, and our current layer here is layer 0, and along here we have our various options. This is our line type toolbox, and here we have got various line types, and we can edit widths, etc. This here is our, I'll just drag this across, is our coordinate toolbar. So as we're moving the mouse around, you can see X and Y is moving. Just dock that back up. Here we also have our toolbar for DesignCad, where we've got new, open existing one, save, print, etc., etc. Very similar to a standard Windows toolbar. Here we have our 2D mode and 3D mode. We're going to be working in the 2D mode. Now with 2D mode highlighted as it is, down here we see we're in 2D drafting. We also see, and this is our status bar by the way, we're on our default work plane of X and Y. This is our zoom ratio, our number of points. We have our snap mode. Our snap mode is off. Our snap mode is if we want to snap to a grid point or to a line, a midpoint of a line, to an end of a line, etc. Here is our current drawing units. In this instance we are metric. And it also tells us that we're in the 2D select mode. Along here is also our menu bar, where we've got File, Edit, View, Tools, and these are all drop downs. Let's just get rid of that. If we go View, we've got different types of view that we can do. We can regenerate a file, an existing file that's operating at the moment. We can pan, we can zoom, we can show and hide different things. We can do an aerial view, etc. Tools, options, draw. Here we've got in draw, lines, arcs, circles, planes, hatch, etc., etc. Now we'll cover these as we work through the tutorial. Point, this is for origins, etc. Dimensions, if we want solids, we can do animation. Here we've got windows, what windows are open at the moment. Currently we only have this one window open. And of course we have our help file. If you have any problems, use the help file, F1. So we'll just shift some of these back around and back to how I like it myself. And over here we have our themes. We can change our different themes that we want, which are the colors, different options. And this here we can pin it. We can auto hide, or we can actually pin it to our screen so it stays active. And we also have an info box. Now this won't open at the moment because we have nothing in the screen. And here we have various options. We have our colors. Let's just drag that over. It's our color toolbox. It's all our color palettes, etc. So I'll get that back over to there. And that is our drawing space, our DesignCad environment.